Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a often repeated question in NET set. How many NAND gates or NOR gates are needed to build the basic gates? Why we are using this NAND or NOR is they are all the universal gates. Okay, so that means with this universal gates the basic gates can be built, any gates can be built. That is the quality or the capacity of the universal gate. Okay, so now here a short question often asked is how many NAND gates are needed to build a NOT gate or AND gate, an OR gate or XOR gate or XNOR gate. Likewise, how many NOR gates are needed to build the NOT AND OR XOR and XNOR gate. So here in order, actually we can write the expression and find out the diagram also, but it will take much of the time. So what is the shortcut we are always using is write the gates in order. Actually this is actually gates only, right? Write the gates in order, what are all the gates you needed, and then find out the number of gates needed to build. So write in order NOT AND OR XOR XNOR, and for NAND you write 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then for NOR you write this is actually 1, this is 3 2, and this is 5 4. Just to remember, 1 is same, 2 3 has come as 3 2, 4 5 has come as 5 4. That's all. Okay, so now with this short table we will be able to find out the fastly how many NOR gates are needed to build an AND gate, how many NOR gates are used to build the XOR gates. So this shortcut will help you to answer the question, so you can save the time in answering the questions while writing the NET or the SET exam. And then for this one, this is actually the 4. Either we are going to build a NOR gate or from NAR gate, NAND from NOR or NOR from NAND. Number of gates is actually 4. So that's all, a simple trick to find out how many number of gates are needed to build how many number of universal gates are needed to build the basic gates. And thanks for watching.